and welcome to your English lesson to take away. I am teacher Sophie and I'll be your English teacher today. Maybe it's the first time we meet, maybe it's not, but in any case I'm happy and it's really nice to meet you. Today's topic is, let me give you a little hint. La 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 la. Okay, maybe it will be easier with the lyrics. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yes, you got it. Today's topic is body parts. To learn about the body parts, I want to take you to a very special and exciting world, the pirates' world. Pirates are men and women who travel the seas to find chests full of gold. Not this kind of chests, this kind of chests. I know we're learning about body parts, but it doesn't make sense otherwise. Okay, now it's time to play our game. Are you ready? So hoist the colors! In their quests for gold, sometimes pirates have to face great dangers. Last time, Pete the pirate met a snake. In this fight, he lost one body part. Could you tell me which body part it is? Is it the nose? Is it the ear? Or is it the eye? Yes, he lost an eye. Ouch. This is Captain Red Hat, and Captain Red Hat hates sharks. Why is that? Because one day Captain Red Hat had to fight against a shark and he lost 2 body parts. Could you name these 2 body parts? Is that the ear and the foot? Is that the hand and the tooth? Or is that the nose and the ear? Yes, he is missing a tooth and his hand. This is Admiral Thunder, and Admiral Thunder fought against one of the most dangerous sea creatures in the whole world. He fought against a kraken. But unfortunately, in this battle, he lost 4 body parts. This time, you won't have any option. You have to name the body parts straight away. So, tell me. The first body part is the leg. He misses a leg. The second body part is the hand. He misses a hand. The third body part is an eye. He misses an eye. And the fourth body part is the teeth. He misses lots of them. If you want to know more about the body parts topic, then please click on the links below. You will find a movie suggestion, a book you can listen to, a song you can learn, and some activities you can do at home with your family or friends. I just have one last thing to tell you, and that's have a good one and see you soon!